Hello, YouTube. Well, it's warmed back up into the 40s. Warmed up enough I can work with the shop door open, which is nice. And I'm still waiting for parts for my 450 Farmall. But while I'm waiting, I've been piddling around, doing some other stuff. My seat was really loose. Had gotten really sloppy. These pins here, it did have some 3/8 pins that were, I don't know if you can see it, but they're, come on, camera, focus. Anyway, they were worn pretty bad. So what I did, I took some 1/2-inch stock that I had laying around and made 2 1/2-inch pins and drilled the holes out to 1/2-inch. They were worn so bad they weren't very far from it anyway. And put new 1/2-inch pins in the back of the seat here and tightened it up a lot. Took a lot of the slop out of it. And I sort of did the same thing to the throttle. The throttle was really sloppy and really loose, so all the roll pins there, I just drilled them out one size bigger and put new roll pins in, and it's a lot better now. So now I think I'm going to attack my hydraulic control valves, get some new O-rings put in there. I think there's 3 bolts on the control levers here. Then I think I can pull these up and the levers will slide out of here. And I've got to take, there's a manifold here where that distributes the hydraulic fluid. And then 4 bolts and they all should come off. So I'll start working on that. I think maybe I'll get my action camera out and set you up, see if I can get some video of this. Okay, I've got the valves off. And just as an aside, I did have to unbolt this casting on top here and pick it up so I could get the second valve out. It did look to me like the O-ring on the back of the third one in, this place right here, I think that O-ring was faulty and was leaking. So I might have found my my primary leakage. So I'm going to take those spools now down to the barn, to my parts cleaner, clean them all off, see if my O-ring kit that I have here has enough O-rings to put this back together. Then I will just reverse the procedure, putting it together with new O-rings. Okay, it's a couple of days later, and I've got the hydraulic valves all back together the other day with all new O-rings in them, so that's done. And it's just like Christmas around here. I got a whole pile of new boxes here, so now we'll do the ever popular unboxing portion of the video. All right, the first box from Bates Corporation. This would be my splined connector. And here we are. Ooh, this one's actually tight. Nice, shiny, and brand new. All right. Good deal. Next from Steiner, this would be my steering gear for the upper bolster, presumably. Oh, this one's stapled as well as taped. Come on. I forgot. I took advantage of their 99-cent cap sale, so hey, shiny new cap. All right, that's good. Ooh, and we got a couple cowtails in here. That's all right. And another box. Oh, look at that. Brand new steering gear. All nice and shiny and not worn a bit. That'll be good to get that in the tractor. And this, I assume, is my valve cover gasket. Let's see. Yep, new valve cover gasket. And so, last but not least, this should be my shiny new exhaust manifold, intake and exhaust manifold. Oh yeah, here are my manifold gaskets. Oh yeah. This is the pipe that screws in, the exhaust pipe that screws in. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. Got appears that it has arrived undamaged, so good deal. Okay, that'll be about it for this video. The rest of today will be nothing too exotic, just simply bolting parts together. So I'll shoot some more video when the tractor is running again. And so until next time, everyone take care, and we'll see you later.